function. The parameters are key and the data type of the data to be fetched. If the data type is string, then we call the shared preference.getString method and pass the key and the default value in it, and fetch the value from it. Then we set the value into shared preference manager instance and return it. We do the same when the data type is integer. This is when the data type is float. This is for the long data type. This is the Boolean type. And this is the set data type. Let's see the main activity now. These are the imports. This is the main activity. In the onCreate function, first we create the object of the shared preference manager class. Then to store the data in the shared preference file, we call the write function, and pass the key value in the data type in it. We do the same for string, integer, float, long and Boolean data type. Once the data is stored in the shared preference, we call the read function, and pass the key and the data type in it, and then show the fetched value in the logs. We do the same for string, integer, float, long and Boolean data type. Here we have created a string hash set, and inserted the A, B, and C data in it. Then we call the write function and pass the key value and data type in it. And then we fetch the data using a read function, and show that in the logs. Let's run the app. As you can see, as long as the app runs, we have stored some data in the shared preference, and then fetched and shown that data in the logs. Now, did you know that the shared preference is an XML file, and it is stored in the Android device in a specific location? Let's see where. Select the Android device. Then select the Device File Explorer. Select Data option. Select the Data option again. Then find the package name of your app. The package name of my app is com.example.sharedPreference. Select shared_prefs option. This is the shared preference XML file. As you can see, we had created the shared preference with the name, pref. And the same name can be seen here. As you can see, all the data that we had saved in the shared preference can be found here. So that's it. That's how you can read and write the data in shared preference in Java Android. Thanks for watching.